Hello everyone, this is George Perez from the Memorial High School Technology Committee, and this is a short video tutorial that will show you how to reserve a Chrome card in a simple and easy way. It is designed so you can reserve a card in less than 1 minute. This is the main page, the main sheet. Here I included small pictures of Chrome cards representing the available cards to reserve at school. Each picture of a Chrome card has a number representing, of course, the number of the card, and below that number it shows its permanent location. For example, if you want to use a card in room 204, now you know that there is a card near you in room 201. There are two ways to access each card sheet. The traditional way, which is clicking down here on each sheet, it says a card number and the month that it belongs to. The first one is the main page, and next to it there is a sheet for each card. Now comes the second way to access each card sheet. Here on the main page you will be able to click on the card you need to reserve. Be aware that the first time you click on a picture you will receive this notification. Just click continue and then allow. This is because I inserted a series of codes to make each picture interactive. Once you do this, you shouldn't receive that notification again. When you click on a picture, it will take you to its corresponding card. For example, if you need to reserve card 2, just click on its card picture and you will be taken directly to the card 2 sheet. On top of each page, I included again a picture of the card with its number, the room or office, and the month, so you always know where you are. In case you want to reserve a different card, I also made this animated button interactive so it can take you back to the main page. Let's say that you need to use the card in room 826 in the annex. Just click on card 24 because, as you can see, this card is the closest one to this room. Again, if you want to go back to the main page, click on the Back to Main Page button. This column represents the 9 class periods. Then we have the date, departments, and the rooms. In order to make this process really fast, I inserted a drop-down menu with the last names and first name initials of all the certified staff. You can double-click in the center of the cell or click in the arrow. Start typing your last name, and by the second or third letter, you should be able to find your name. This method is faster than scrolling down. Then select your department and the room where you will be using the card. For example, 106. As you noticed, all the sections that have been reserved have changed their colors. I made this to happen automatically once you type in a cell, meaning that this card is reserved. If you want to make a comment about something that happened or something you found not working properly in the card, you can report it by inserting comments on their cells the usual way. Right-click, insert comment, for example, Chromebook number 15, not charging. By the beginning of week 4 each month, I will have the next month's scheduler ready, and this button will be active, so you can start reserving for the coming week, which is going to be a new month. If you want to cancel your reservation, please delete your information so this card is available to other teachers. You can do this by clicking on the cell and hitting delete on your keyboard. Finally, in order to have a quick access to this sign-up sheet, I recommend you to save it on your bookmarks bar by clicking on the star here and then done. If you have a lot of websites saved like I do, you can always come to the end of the bar, click here, scroll down, and you will find the shortcut at the end. Then you can drag it and drop it in the center of your bookmarks bar, so you always have a quick access to this sign-up sheet. Please send me your feedback with questions, suggestions, and/or comments. If you see any mistake on your name or if you have any suggestions, please don't try to fix the document yourself to avoid any internal conflict within the sheet. Email me or Mr. Warrap. I would like to thank the Memorial High School Principal, Mr. Warrap, Ms. Madariaga from the Technology Committee, Mr. Mara from the School Library, and the school supervisors for their help in the creation of this sign-up sheet. This has been George Perez from the Technology Committee of Memorial High School. Thank you very much.
Yeah.